Assalamualaikum and good evening. Okay, my name is Anurul Nadoh binti Burhas Diki. As a student A, my dorm matrix is A25 A4 926.
Assalamualaikum. My name is Nur Afrina Alia binti Muhammad Rizal. I'm as a student B and my matric number is A25A4638.
Assalamualaikum and good evening. My name is Sharmi Alisha binti Sharizal as a candidate C. My number matrix is A25A4710.
Assalamualaikum and good evening. My name is Rabiata Dawiyah binti Muhammad Daud. My matrix number is A25B4603 and I am as candidate D.
Okay, thank you for your introducing. Good evening, everyone. Thank you for attending our meeting on Google Meet today. My name is Anur, the Operation Manager of ShareSpace SDM PhD. The purpose of meeting today is to discuss the question provided by NetLink Solutions and to explore the possibility improvement that can support our growing business.
Good evening and welcome. Thank you to NetLink Solutions for meeting with us today. I'm Afrina, the Customer Experience Executive at ShareSpace. We hope this discussion will help both parties reach a mutually beneficial agreement.
Good morning. Good evening and thank you for having us. I am Rabiata Adawiyah, the Technical Manager at NetLink Solutions.
Good evening, everyone. I'm Sharmin Alisha binti Sharizal, the Sales Executive at Netlink Solutions. We are happy to walk you with our service package and to discuss your requirements.
Hey, everyone. Nice opening. Hey, as a share space continue to grow and serve more clients, we need a faster and more reliable internet connection, as well as better IT support service to ensure smooth daily operation. That is why we are reviewing your question today.
Yes, that is true. From a customer service perspective, internet issues directly affect our client satisfactions. We often operate beyond office hours, so 24/7 technical support is very important. We also need strong security and a backup system to avoid service disruption.
Thank you for your concern. Based on our quotation, we can provide you a 300 Mbps internet speed with a price 6,000 ringgit for 24 months contract, including a router and firewalls. Also with a service, technical service on a office hour.
So to explain it, our system is stable and suitable for medium-sized office. So it's really convenient. The firewall helps to protect your network, and our technical team will assist during working hours if any issue can or occur.
Based on your needs, how about an upgraded package with higher internet speed and additional features? We can offer 500 Mbps instead, along with enhanced security solution, which can provide better performance for your operation.
That's a great idea. It would have a big impact on ShareSpace SDN BHD. In order to improve customer satisfaction, we would also like to suggest 24/7 technical support as our clients use the internet beyond office hours. A faster response a faster response time will help us maintain a positive customer experience.
That those are good suggestions. So from a technical point of view, I recommend that you must to add some a backup internet system and advanced firewall protection. So this will reduce the downtime and ensure your stable connectivity during peak usage in the office.
Okay. We appreciate the suggestion provided. However, we would like to negotiate the price, internet speed, and contract period. Our preferred budget is RM 4,500 per month with 500 Mbps and a 12-month contract. Will you be willing to consider this proposal?
By providing 500 Mbps with 24/7 technical support and a backup system is possible, but it will increase our operational cost. In addition, a shorter contract period also affect our pricing structure. Is that okay?
I think to reach a fair agreement, I would like to suggest a package that propose a 5,000 ringgit with a 500 ringgit with a 5,000 uh, 500 500 Mbps with a 5,000 ringgit, uh, including 24 hours technical support, advanced security, and a backup system with a 12-month contract.
Well, that is a good starting offer. The proposal is reasonable and aligned with our operational requirements.
Yes, I agree. This package would significantly improve our customer satisfaction.
To confirm, the agreed package include 500 Mbps internet speed, 24/7 technical support, advanced security, and a backup system at 5,000 ringgit per month for a 12-month contract.
We agree with this too. Thank you for the production discussion and cooperation. But I want to give a little summarize to the discussion. We both parties have reached a mutual agreement. Sharespace at the end, STM will proceed with a NetLink solution device package, which is the Angry Plan include 500 Mbps and 24/7 technical support, advanced security feature, and a backup system. The monthly cost will be around 5,000 with a 12-month contract period. This package meets our operational needs and will help us improve service quality and customer satisfaction.
Thank you for choosing NetLink solution. We look forward to working together with you.
Thank you. We appreciate your time and support.